Florian Bagletta and his design team needed to develop a typographic language that complemented Vibe magazine's photography. They did this by keeping the designs within a type of border called an Oxford rule. Any typeface could be used as long as it was framed by these borders. But they did not want predictable typographic depictions of hip-hop, such as graffiti, spray paint, or distressed lettering. The magazine's look was based on two ideas. The first was using letters and acronyms. The second was to use some principles of improvisation and modal jazz. Using these two ideas, they would choose a typeface for the framework for each new issue and improvise from there. The typeface Vibe Gothic Bold is used in all three spreads from the same issue. For another issue, the designers created their own typeface. Beginning with the familiar outline of a basketball court, the shapes of the letter A and the letter I emerge. They combine to form an AI basketball court for an article on Allen Iverson. They wanted the letter treatments to evolve, and the design of the great Herb Lubalin was an inspiration. His conceptual typography made his letters and words speak in a way that symbolized their meaning. To evolve their letter treatments, they experimented with idea-based multiple meanings. For example, this feature on Jamie Foxx. This was a Q&A, and the headline was Moment of Clarity, so they blurred the questions. They needed a place for the headline and the letter J. They created a thought bubble in the shape of the letter J, and placed the headline inside of it. In 2005, the magazine wanted a cover to address the sporadic violence that plagues hip-hop, as well as the unsolved murders of Tupac, Jam Master Jay, and Biggie, three hip-hop heroes. Editor-in-chief Mimi Valdez wanted to base the cover on a famous 1968 issue of Esquire, designed by the great George Lois. Photographer Jim Porto went to Arlington National Cemetery and shot continuously. They hired three models with the same build as Tupac, Jay, and Biggie, and put it all together for the cover.